Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Corolla tail light. First, gather your tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and a new bulb. Then, open the trunk to access the tail light assembly. You'll need to remove a few fasteners to get to the old bulb. Finally, replace the bulb and test the new light before closing everything up. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools. A Phillips head screwdriver is essential for removing fasteners. You'll also need a new tail light bulb, typically a 7440 or 7443, depending on your specific model. For safety, always turn off your vehicle and consider wearing gloves to protect your hands during the process. Now, let's access that bulb. Open your trunk and look for the access panel or cover behind the tail light. You'll typically find 2 or 3 retaining nuts or screws holding the entire tail light assembly in place. Carefully unscrew these, then gently pull the assembly away from the car body. Once it's loose, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Firmly insert the new bulb into the socket, then twist the socket clockwise until it locks securely into place. Carefully guide the tail light assembly back into its position on the vehicle and refasten the retaining nuts or screws. Before you close the trunk, turn on your lights to ensure the new tail light is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.